Big up Crossy Stevie.
Grassy Stevie, I catch the things of last night. Come here, tell you, say. Give me your pussy, big toe. Suck on the mother out and get me ready. Because me a try for blood clot come out a warrior now push me na it. Yeah? Wanna do? Wanna say? Me say, as a big woman say, me now pinpoint no blood clot and pan nobody till bumbo clot people go and start go to jail. Then me can jump up and say, yeah, I wanna kill blood clot Tani. But you see right you know me not trust no pussy out here so. Zine? See out here so. Come in, sister. The blood clot on the make my head chip come put me in an argument. Yes, sister.
Tita,
Yeah.
what about the how you reaching the argument that Tita? Okay, what more?
You don't know said this morning to the woman. This woman will live in Miami. Me no know her page. Me no know hope. Me no know nothing. Them say me and hope a link. Zine.
But if you don't want people on link, nobody can tell nobody who to talk to. This is an Instagram.
Mama, me no want get in there. Them can Brandon press live and tell me how my pussy big. And cuss me
But
out
when
like a dog.
and disrespect you tell us say your pussy big and you not get involved in a no. But that's why I take myself off for the internet. I start from today, I'm running. Because the internet and have no loyalty, me no business, me not involved in an argument, me not take for myself, and me not care. Me not get involved in a not because this don't make no sense. If it, me not in the dirty teeth, man, but if you even want to be for it up, so what? Everybody
Sister, Brandon, this me out of your blood clot Jamaica, me a vegan pitney. Hey, tell I bomba clot.
Tita, calm down, Tita, may I talk. But Tita, listen to this. Everybody go on live with everybody. Everybody can talk to everybody. It's not like, yeah, buy out the argument and you carry news. The internet is so weird.
No, the lady. Me and a lady, then a friend. Me no know the lady that's the biggest blood clotting. Me no know all my name in there. Katofi call me, send one signal like a screenshot. Me say me can't wait till my daughter come with the phone. Cause me have a new phone here. Like she said one something with the woman. A woman I said like say, you a call my name.
Yeah.
Have something to call up my name. She said you it. She said me it. She said Foley it. That's the last time I talked to Tuffy.
Yeah.
Tuffy called me one day and some for compress life fear. Mama me say me there work. So me from this and now she come on Dairy Life must have think I think when last week she come on Dairy Life and I did somebody. Zine and me run off for the life and say Tuffy your mouth from your stuff. You can't come this to people like that. And me don't know where Tuffy go pick up and go tell Kim and Brandon. So me I try to room and go around.
The Brandon just mention something when you should get the Brandon and find out because me not think
listen to my mama big life do today this morning and I hear me tell us I'm deaf on the live.
what the fuck?
On the live and I'm a fake page. Brandon say, girl, your pussy this go suck your mother. Brandon say, hey, you say me want Brandon say me want him to go blood clot jail. Me no mama, I don't call him name.
I not call him name. I understand why you take it well.
Let me tell you something, mama. Me is a fourth visa. Me is a straight blood clot sick. Hey, sorry, Chin, because a while ago when I made the show, I forgot to say it upon live. Come here, click.
Yeah.
When me do something now, mama, I'm hear me name. All right, watch your not Tuffy. Call me and I say, believe me, Suzi, believe me. So I can't believe.
Suzi, Kim right there. Kim say, no, Suzi. Yeah, talk, Suzi, talk, baby, talk.
Now look on Kim because listen now. You see, after me so tell her why me now look on Kim, Kim is a look hypocrite. This one me I tell you, sister. So me now, this one me say this morning, mama. Me say, you see me? Nobody can buy me out, nobody can do me here, and no girl and boy can bumble clad sell me out for no blood clot with them drugs money. That's how when this is what me I say, you know.
Yes.
Me never say Kim, Brandon are the woman. See?
Okay.
Okay, me just give my opinion and me say I want my name stay out of this. Because them say me a contact the big woman of Miami and me just let it clear that me and Hope for them I say Hope and send me. Hope now send me. Me not deal with Hope. Hope come out and talk no woman. Cause you don't sit down behind closed door, maybe on your blood clot fake page. And you now come out, come clear up my bumper clot name too. Come make the people know.
Let me check out over here, up there over here, Susie, walking traffic, look, so there, Tamara, come here, girls. And Tamara on the line, Susie, because Tamara will speak the truth. Kim there, up there, Elizabeth, the one over here, Susie, up there.
Oh.
Susie, and Tamara, Tamara come speak the extra truth.
Just send in the invite. I'll come already there when me there at all. Me not call nobody name, me I say, no, keep my name out of them. Say me, Hope send me out. Hope you have to come clear up my name if me and you have no talk, ever talk. Me and a lady never talk. So me do some bam now. So me tell Tuffy say me now this Hope till me start know who a killer. Cause why me say that me have all right to say that. Dan in a killer, them say Hope, them say this, them say Nana, them say everybody. Everybody blood clot a killer. So me can't put on pan she yet. Me have to run blood clot.
Susie, but skin touch and respect you. Listen to the Susie, all if you rub me now and say so. So Kim, why did Brandon call her big pussy, Kim? That's not cool.
Yeah, Kim, see Miss Hope, see Hope.
Yo.
Kim, hey Brandon, this me blood clot today. And talk about me hungry. Hey Brandon, hold on them, Miss Kim. Hey Brandon, me I promise you to come out with 200 blood clot thousand. Tomorrow me I go on my bank, go draw 2 blood clot 100,000 from my bank. Me I challenge you. I don't talk to blood clot you. Now go say if your money bigger than my one. Pussy. Yes, Miss O.
Susie.
Hold on, Miss O.
No call me no Miss Hope, call me Hope. Call me Dirty Hope, no call me no Miss Hope. Yeah, me there.
No, listen to me. I'm never have respect for you because I don't know you, lady. Lady, me not go call you Dirty Hope because me don't know you as a Dirty Hope. So
right.
don't put word in my mouth because my mother grow me good.
All right.
You hear me? Me never diss you yet, lady. Me never go tell you no Dirty Hope because my mother not, hey. So me tell us, hey, mumbo clap.
Wait,
yo,
what me do now?
You come and tell me to call you Dirty Hope.
Right.
Why?
Susie,
why?
Susie, what me do now? Tell me.
Never have respect for you, man. Never have respect for you. So me say, Miss Hope, just take my
I'm not hearing.
I am saying, why should I call you Dirty Hope? Tell me why no? Why?
I'm not hearing. It gone, the voice gone. The voice is gone.
Do you hearing me?
I'm just hearing you now. I wasn't hearing you before.
I am saying to you, and my mother grew me good, me not gonna call you Dirty Hope because me never hear you cuss me. Why should I say Dirty Hope?
All right, Susie, make we get to your point. We get about the name.
Okay.
Let's get to your point.
And I'm gonna start back again. Miss Hope, I do and me and you ever hold no argument, no day, no time.
Never talk to you yet, so I'm never ever talk to you.
Okay.
Can I say something before I jump off? It's not
yes, go ahead.
Me, darling. Darling is not me and Susie. Don't ask me who I'm now. It's not me and Susie. I'm out of this. But Susie, let me say something before you come up. You just tell me something must come clear your name, right? Right?
Yes.
I'm gonna come up and clear your name. Who the bumbo clot clear my name, Susie? Who clear for my name? What up in a 20 party something? Anyway, but me come out.
What you know? Listen,
me never talk to you yet in my life. The only time when me hear you over there split the difference and you say, come on, Tuffy, you have to come with some proof, some good proof we believe it. That's the only thing. And from that, people was after you. I mean, I don't know argument with nobody. And as the girls just say a while ago, Chin just said, let me talk it. Kim just said a while ago, she done with this. Yeah. People call me from Jamaica. People on Instagram, I don't know and tell me to get off the Instagram. I'm not going to be off there, but I'm done with this. I don't know you from Adams. I don't know you from nowhere. I got too much to lose. Me never talk to you yet. Me no live a blood clot, Miami. I know Miami me live. Me live 2 2.5 blood clot hour from you and Miami. Me live a bumbo clot Naples. You hear me tell you?
Okay.
No?
Thank you. You see? Yeah, you see what me I
Me
tell you?
2.5
So
hours from Miami, me live. When me a drive go South Beach at 2.5 hours, they take me. Me no know you, Suzi, me never talk to you. And you'll get enough more of this because me a wait, me a give this 3 months for the internet to calm down. And
You
I
know
gonna know who
the
are the blood.
problem is, you know the
When I
problem
know
this is
who are the problem. Me I give this 3 months to calm down. Then I'm not gonna know. You see start already. You see start mix up and people start cuss you. Suzi, in the name of Jesus, God bless. I'm out. I'll be listening, darling.
okay,
I'm
okay,
waiting.
Miss Hope.
Because
Because
God is
Miss
good
Hope, I'm say
and
Miss
God is
Hope.
working.
Me tell you something. Me now go pine this woman because she never do me nothing. Me say me I go turn and see and hear when the police are pick up people. So if she wrong, she wrong. If she right, that's all we want proof, you know. We want proof. We want hear proof and who this and who involved. Or me for bomber clot just get up and cuss up like that. Zine, or me for those blood clot come and cuss the woman like that and cuss her and say, yes, she killed Tani. Yes, she did. Me want, hey, you see, when they go in at the detective, that's what me want here. And that's why me, Suzi, come to clear my blood clot name. And Kim, when Brendan did that cuss me, you should have draw your man off of the blood clot internet. This man I say, baby, no look good. Suzi never say. You say me this say Brandon. You say me this say Kim. It only look bad, but I make Brandon a stretch out my blood clad hole. So if me a stretch it out, my pussy a cover and bumbo clad face. And that my pussy clad say. Because Kim, he must say my pussy this if my pussy big, Kim pussy big too. Because you have to fuck me and blood clot Kim in our hole to make we know say we pussy big. Say Suzi blood clot pussy big, Kim pussy blood clot big too. Because my pussy clad hurt because I never say nothing. And a drawing bomber clad team today for bring me down for no reason. I never whine at this boomer bomber ass clad this. Uno say Opa send me out. Opa send me out. Say Opa come clear my bomber clad pussy clad name there. Uno make this dirty blood clot, tough face, blood clot, body face, girl, what they are Jamaica. Name blood clot, tough face, twist up on a pussy clot end. But it's just a matter of blood clot time when Toffee can't get no more from Uno. Zine? And you talk about blood clot people grudge blood clot Toffee when we can go sit down in our blood clot your parlor. When we can go on my bank out, hey, me have people picking with a blood clot feed with them bumbo clot. We get blood clot killer dead and me a feed them bumbo clot. Me a feed bumbo clot people pick me out here and take on him. When the man dead, me say me take on the 2 little girl and the little girl and little boy. Every bumbo clot month me write a check. $200-300 give the mother for that bumbo clot to feed them. So the bumbo ass clot you come skin up my pussy and you have woman in the house. Eh? Oh, you come and skin out and not tell lies so me and blood clot up a link. See, hope come clear my bumper ass clot name up here. See, hope come clear my pussy clot name up here a while ago. Nice and bumper clot decent. Even when hope come up here a while ago and said dirty hope, me say, no, I am not going to call you blood clot dirty. Because I never hear say this me yet. And the respect when you show me, I'm going to give it back bumper clot till I hear the police said, pick up. And who gonna jail and who gonna jail. Oh, me for blood clot get up and accuse her and say she this and that. Me hear so and me